Quit AI tutorials cold turkey. For real. If you're glued to one this second, congrats. You're basically training your brain to be a passive spectator in the AI Olympics. And yeah, I got receipts to back that up. Setup. 4 months back, I binged like 200 hours of AI tutorials. I could rattle off every model like a walking API docs. Break down benchmarks blindfolded. Spot a fresh tool launch from a mile away. But ask me to ship one end-to-end thing that didn't crumble? Crickets. Total zero. I'd been mistaking trivia dumps for actual skill building. Night and day difference. The second I cracked that code, bam, my projects didn't just level up. They snowballed into something unstoppable. This framework? Wish I'd snagged it day one. The pit of death. Picture the typical AI learner trap in 2026. Spot a shiny tool, cursor, bolt, V0, pick your poison. Spit out a description. Boom. AI spits back a slick mini app in 30 minutes flat. You're strutting like Tony Stark after assembling his first suit. Peak wizard mode. Then, you want to tack on one extra feature. Kaboom. Total meltdown. AI stumped. You, clueless, staring at code that's all shiny surface, zero bones. Steve Sewell, CEO of Builder.io, dubbed it the pit of death. Vibe-coded MVPs plunge in and never climb out. Escape hatch? Human architectural smarts. Which tutorial zombies? Straight up lacking. The trust paradox. Bet you're nodding like, but dude, AI tools are everywhere. Must be fine. Nope. Stack Overflow hit up over 49,000 developers mid-2025. 84% cranking with AI tools. Hype city, right? Hold my energy drink. Positive vibes tanked from over 70% in 2024 to 60%. And get this, 46% straight up distrust AI spit. Almost half. Cause 66% admitted they're burning more hours patching AI code than typing it fresh. AI's a master at faking polish, but vetting it? Craters. And tutorials? Zilch on that front line. Who knew trust was the real plot armor? Amodei's failed prediction. March 2025, Anthropic's Dario Amodei drops the bomb. AI writes 90% of code in 3 to 6 months. Tech Twitter implodes. Code's toast. Pivot yesterday. September 2025 rolls in. Predictions a smoking crater. Not from AI flopping. Devs drowning deeper in reviews. Debug marathons. Architecture wrangling. High-level brain power demand? Skyrocketed. Tutorial chasers obsessing over model flavors? They fumbled the real goldmine. Verification. It's like prepping for a marathon by memorizing sneaker ads. Tutorial hell. Cold hard truth bomb. Tutorial hell's when you spectate a pro code, ape their snippets blind. Pat yourself on the back for progress. Then brickwall at an empty editor. Feels productive. Like you're leveling up. Like binging MasterChef clips and calling yourself Michelin ready. Gordon Ramsay could demo risotto perfection for 200 hours. You'd still botch rice texture like wet cardboard. Gotta get your hands dirty. That 80-hour 2026 bootcamp? Glorified delay tactic with homework. The framework? Compound engineering. So, the real deal? Late 2025 birthed compound engineering. Genius hack. Ditch blank slate prompting. Forge a living knowledge base file right in your project. Log every bug squash, arch choice, AI rule. Feed it context. The AI evolves with you. Each build turbocharges the next. Projects accelerate. Outputs nail it tighter. AI's not freelancing. It's your customized code engine. Me? I started this and felt like I hacked the matrix, then realized I just stopped being my own bottleneck. The one skill. 2026's builder secret sauce. One skill trumps all. Not prompt wizardry, not model trivia. Verification, period. AI can hallucinate wild during gen. It's free candy. Pump out 10 in 30 seconds. But verification? Reality's bouncer. Rig feedback loops. Auto tests, linters, browser sanity checks. AI self-audits before you blink. Analogy time. AI's that eager intern blasting code at warp speed. 0 coffee breaks. Wrong. 30% of the time with 0 shame. Don't out-type it. Architect the net that snags the garbage. I tried being the typer once. Ended up debugging my own ego. What you actually learn, in order, your battle plan. 4 steps. Sequence matters. Ignore the noise. First, system architecture and APIs. How apps gossip data. Skip math fairy tales. Just grok the flow. 30 minutes reading. Boom. You're dangerous. Second, prompting. Pro style. Task, Context, constraints, then loop. Vague in, vague out. Laser in, laser code. Week of reps. Third, verification grind. Tiny project, real loops. Tests flop, you patch. Understanding, baked in. Fourth, compound engineering. Knowledge base deploys. Bugs birth rules. Rules stack. You're not coding, you're imprinting your style on silicon. Ditch, syntax cramming. AI's got it. Endless tutorial marathons. Lazy vibes. Model chasing. Principles eternal. Boris Cherny setup. Still fuzzy? Real talk from Boris Cherny, Claude code mastermind at Anthropic. February 2026. He claims AI practically solved coding. His flow? 5 parallel Claude instances in Git work trees. AI pens. 100% of merged code. Wild, right? Secret sauce, his knowledge base files a fortress. Arc rules. Failure autopsies etched in. AI dodges repeat sins. Bugs? Immortalized as laws. Not sorcery. Compounding on steroids. Boris versus pit dwellers? Not IQ. One file that schools the AI. I mimicked it. Now my code's got better habits than me. The vibe coding myth. Vibe coding time. Andre Carpete's gospel. English description, AI manifests. Legit for mockups. But evangelists skip the rot. Vibe apps decay in months. No security, edge case blind spots, arc sins AI ignores cuz your vibe's a ghost. AI vibe equals yours. Verification welds them. Solo vibe coding? Like spellcasting with finger crosses. Demo dazzle, production nightmare. The real stakes. Big picture. $935 billion software gold rush. Noobs sling MVPs in 30 to 90 days via AI. Skip verification, eternal pit loop, scratch rebuilds. Verification ninjas, spot real from fake plausible. Value explodes. No skills, you're a chatbot jockey. With them, API maestro, agent lord,